Understanding the type code for the MHD synchronous motor. The MHD090B-047-NG1-UN. MHD denotes the product type as a synchronous motor. 090 denotes a motor size of 090. It has a centering diameter of 110 mm and a flange size of 140 mm. B denotes a motor length of B. It has a continuous standstill torque of 12 Nm. 047 means the winding code for the motor is 047. N denotes the motor has digital servo feedback with relative position detection. G denotes the shaft is plain and has a shaft seal. 1 indicates there is a holding brake with a torque of 11 Nm. U denotes the presence of power and feedback connectors. The connectors move on a turntable with a range of 270 degrees. N means the motor has liquid cooling. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MHD repair and refurbishments.